Right guys, today we've got this Mini Cooper 1, it's 2008. The customer's phoned us up. He's been having a little bit of concern with the vehicle. He's had an engine light popping up every now and again, keeps going away and coming back, so it's intermittent. So he's phoned us up, we've come down, done a quick diagnostics. There's a few little sensor issues, nothing too major. Obviously still safe to do a carbon clean, so we're going ahead. He's decided to go with a clean for maintenance purposes. I think it's got about 97,000 miles on, so he's a little bit concerned of the build-up related issues that obviously come with these direct injection engines as well. So we've done the 2-stage carbon clean, we've done the stage 2, which is a fuel tank chemical for the fuel lines. We are just on the hydrogen clean at the moment, so we're going to let that run for about 40 minutes or so. We've put him a little bit of extra time on, just because he has been having a little bit of issues, and he obviously does suspect that it's never been done with carbon clean before. So that's what we're doing today guys. We've already done the diagnostics. He's taken his photos so we can show his mechanic, and then hopefully he can get those little issues sorted, and he should be back on the road within no time. But this is again Mini Cooper 1 2008 2-stage carbon clean.